Good morning, everyone. It's time for calendar. Let's do a rule song. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Great job, you guys. So let's get right into it and do the days of the week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Fun Friday. We're at the end of the week. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. All right. Great job. Now, let's do the months of the year. And we're still in our new month, right? Let's see if we can remember what it is. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. What month is it? It's June. Good. J-U-N-E spells June, right? Good job. Let's see. Let's do a little activity. Look at all my letters. I'm going to let's circle all the letters that are J. Look closely. Okay. So, is this a J? Yes, it's a capital J or big J. Let's circle it. How about this letter? That's a J. I'm going to circle it. That's a capital J. How about this one? It's still a J. It's a lowercase j. Let's circle it. How about this one? No, what letter is this? That's a C. Let's find a J. No. No, that's an X. Here's our J, lowercase j. We found all of the J's. Let's think of some words that start with J, right? June is our month. It starts with J, right? How about when you hop up and down? It's called jump. Jump is a J word. What else is a J word? Can you think of one? I think of one for Halloween. Do you remember what this is called? Kind of a jack-o'-lantern, starts with J. Nice job. If you can think of a J word, let me know. All right, great job. So now we have to do some counting. And let's start with number 1. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? 5. That's great. This is number 5. And do you remember in our 10 frame what a 5 looks like? Let's make a 10 frame. Let's make a 10 frame. This is a pretty good 10 frame. I'm going to make 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Awesome job. All right. So now let's go over here to our digital calendar. Let's do the month. Let's find the match for June. Where's the match? There it is, June. Awesome. And today is the 5th, right? Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put a 5 up there. Oh, there it is. Great. Now, let's do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? All right. Right now, I see a lot of clouds in the sky. So I'm going to say the weather today is cloudy. Let's put it up there. Great. I hope it doesn't rain. I hope it doesn't rain. I hope it stays cloudy. Maybe the sun will come out today too. All right. Should we do the temperature? The temperature today. Let's see what the temperature is. That's how hot or cold it is outside. All right, so the temperature today is 70 degrees. I wonder if I can count to 70. Counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degrees. All right, so I would say 70 degrees is warm. So let's go down here, find warm. Okay. The temperature today is warm. Great. And the season. There's 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. The season is, you guys know this. What's the season? Spring. It's still spring. Summer is June 20th. Okay. Let's say the whole date. All right. Today is, what's the day of the week? Friday. Good. What's the month? June. June. What was that number? 5th or 5. Good. We did that. The weather today is cloudy. The temperature today is warm. And the season is spring. Great job, you guys. Have a good Friday. Bye.